Hi guys, I'm so glad that you got on with me today. We have been talking this week all about different ways to make numbers up to 5. Okay, so we can make numbers different ways with the whole numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to take a look at a couple different mats that we've talked about this week, and we are going to see how we can use them as a tool to help us figure out the different parts of a number. Okay, so I'm going to put 5 beans on my mat. Okay, 5 beans. That is my whole number. Okay, remember, your whole number is the total number. Okay, so I have 5. Okay, so I'm going to put this little card here to help me remember. I'm going to take those beans and I'm going to move them down here to the parts. Okay, I have 3 and 2 makes 5. Okay, 3 and 2 makes 5. Okay, we're going to do some more. We can use the same whole number. We're going to do 5 still. Okay, and we're going to take the parts away. We can use one and 4. Our whole number is going to stay the same because that's the total number of beans that we have. That's the number that we have all together. Okay, might help if I had the numbers in the right spot. We have 4 and 1. 1 and 4 makes 5. Okay, let's try a different whole number. Let's try the number 3. Okay, remember we're going to put 3 beans at the top. Okay, and then we're going to move them down to where we want them. We could make 3. If I have 3 on this side, how many am I going to have on the other side? That's right, I heard you. 0. Okay, 3 and 0 makes 3. Remember, our whole number is going to be the biggest number. Okay, so we can't have a number bigger than our whole number, which is 3. Okay, we're going to make 3 a different way. Okay, what if I did this? That's right, I have the number 2 and 1. 2 and 1 makes 3. Okay, so remember, this is called our part whole mat. This is our whole number, so this is our total number of objects or beans. We have our parts, and remember, our parts make up our whole number. Okay? All right, now we're going to try our different mat that we have been talking about. We have been talking about a 5 frame. Can anyone tell me why it's called a 5 frame? That's right, 5 is going to be our whole number. If I have that on my 5 frame, what's my whole number? That's right, my whole number is 3. So if I was going to use my part whole mat, I could make 3 by having 1 bean and 2 more. But my whole number is still 3. What if I had 5? That's right, my whole number would be 5. I can make 5 several different ways. I could have 4 and 1. I could have 3 and 2. I could have 5 and 0. I can make 5 a lot of different ways. Okay, we're going to do one more. Our whole number is 4. There are different ways that we can make 4. Okay, we can do 2 and 2. We could do 3 and 1. We could even do 4 and 0. Okay, so you have a part whole mat with you at home. Take a look at your mat, grab your beans, and play around with it.